Hey guys, Afi here from SaberMach. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a very quick tutorial on operating our shadow reader installed with the Nano Biscotte V4 with a pixel blade. Now, without further ado, just to run through you guys again, that the shadow reader comes with two buttons, as with most of our premium sabers, as with all our premium sabers in fact. But the button on the right is a Fox button. So the main activation button is actually on the left of the control box, right over there. And to activate the saber, you wake it up from deep sleep first and tap the main activation button. And to turn it off, press and hold the same button and you turn the saber off. Now, the Nano Biscotte V4 comes with 3 pre-configured sound fonts, and to cycle through the sound fonts, you will need to press and hold the main activation button until the second beep. And you let go, and it will cycle through the next sound font. Let's try that again. Now, the Nano Biscotte V4 comes with several features that are basic as with most FX installed sabers. It comes with swing sounds, it comes with flash on clash as well, and also has a mute feature. Now, to activate the saber in a mute mode, press and hold the main activation button and release after the first beep. And there you have it, the shadow reader installed with a Nano Biscotte V4 with a pixel blade. Now, to access the SD card, soundboard, removable battery as well as the recharge port, you would first have to remove the pommel cap for the shadow reader and slightly loosen the covertech knob. Now, it may be quite challenging to remove the chassis first, but what we would recommend you to do is to slightly tap the saber so that it pops out. And now you can carefully slide the chassis out. This is the rail held by the covertech knob that prevents the chassis from twisting as well as moving up and down. And on the other side, we have the battery slab for the removable battery. The soundboard is the SD card as well as the recharge port. I'll remove the battery. You can charge it using the provided charger, or you can use the charging cable to charge it via the recharge port. Now, of course, with the charging cable, the battery has to be in the sled first. Now, take note that when you insert your battery, always ensure that for our premium sabers, the positive end is always at the bottom, while the negative end is towards the emitter at the top. And there we go, the shadow reader.